Hey guys, are you looking for ideas for an AI YouTube faceless channel that works for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok? You're in the right place. Yesterday, I discovered an entirely new niche. Watch this video. This niche is called VFX videos. If you want to create something like this, let's go. First, open your browser and type Peacock into the search bar. Next, select the first result. Pika is an AI-powered platform that allows users to create high-quality videos with effects. And now, let's take a look at the effects that Pika offers. First up is Crush It. This is an effect that makes objects or characters become soft and crushed. It brings a fun and cute feeling, perfect for animated scenes or creative videos. The second effect is Squish It. This effect compresses and distorts objects or characters, creating a fun and cute vibe. It's perfect for humorous or animated videos. The third effect is Melt It. This effect makes objects or characters appear as if they are melting, creating a mysterious and somewhat eerie atmosphere. It's ideal for videos with a horror or surreal style. And besides these three effects, there are many more that you can explore later. And now the most important part. I'll guide you on how to use it. At the bottom of the website, you will see a toolbar. To start, click on the image icon at the bottom to upload a picture from your computer. Next, click on the Pick Effect icon at the bottom to open the list of available effects. Here you can choose from effects like Inflate It, Melt It, Explode It, and many more. Here, I choose Squish It. Then click on the lightning icon to start the video creation process. And here's the final result. As you can see, the Squish It effect has been applied, compressing and distorting the object in a fun and playful way. The video is now ready for sharing or further editing if you'd like. That's it. Now you have a quick and easy way to create VFX videos using AI. If you're looking for ideas for an AI YouTube faceless channel on Reels, Shorts, or TikTok, this tool is perfect. Get creative and start experimenting.